Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Typewriter. Now, a Typewriter is based on a first move and a half Manhattan. So, links in the description below, because without those skills under your belt, you're going to find this very difficult. I'll show it from two angles so you get a kind of real feel for what's going on, and I'm going to shorten it. The Typewriter section, I'm going to teach it with 3. We're only going to show you 2 in the demos. So it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we're going to show you the other angle. So we go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you've seen it from both angles. Anyone familiar with an old-fashioned mechanical typewriter will now understand the name. Anyone not familiar will be there going, I don't get it. Okay, this is just named after the shuttle action you get on an old mechanical typewriter. So you need to be able to do a half Manhattan. And the version we're going to be using means the guys go forward left, the ladies go back right. So if we face the front, what's going to happen is the guys are going to step forward left, the ladies are going to step back right. We're going to rock back onto the other foot, and then we're just going to replace slightly back from where we were. And then we're going to repeat. So guys forwards, ladies back, and replace. One more time, movement, and replace. So in a normal half Manhattan, we would be literally just going forwards as the ladies go back and replace and repeat. We're adding an action where we start over here on the first one, and then because we've shuffled while we were doing it, we end up doing the second one between the ladies' legs and shuffle while we're doing it. Then we come down what is the ladies' left side, so guys' right side, and then we do the shuttle action. So we go slide left, and as we slide right, we take the lady further than the guy, so we're ready to repeat. So let's walk through the whole thing. Starting off man's left, lady's right, we go back in like a first move. As we turn the lady, we want to bring her quite narrow so she goes back on the right. As she does that, guys, we need to come across the lady a little bit, so that as we go forwards on the left, we're on her left hand side. So I'm not in front of Karen, I'm out to the left. As we rock back, I'm going to move across so that now I'm lined up directly in front of Karen, so I can go between her feet. As I come back, I move across, and now this time I can go down the right hand side from my point of view. And as we start to go back, instead of replacing, we do a big slide left onto the guy's left, lady's right, big slide right, taking the lady further than the guy, and then we can repeat. From the guy's point of view, we go forwards, side and back, then we go middle, side and back, then again we go forwards, rock back and slide. Slide, and this time we're going to slide as far, if not even further than the lady, so that we can just twist the lady out, turn to our left, and finish the first move off. Okay, we're going to talk about numbers. We're going to do it from a different angle. So here we go. We go back 1, in 2, twisting the lady out 3, getting across to the far side. We go forwards on 4 and back 5. Down the middle 6 and back 7. Down the outside 8, and then we go preparation 1, and we go slide 2, 3. Then we go forwards 4, back 5, forward 6, back 7, forwards 8, preparation 1, sliding 2, 3. We're going to do one final set. We go forwards 4, back 5, forward 6, back 7, forwards 8, preparation 1. We're going to go slide 2, get further across than the lady, slide 3, twisting out 4, preparation 5, turning 6, face 7, returning 8, and back 1. So let's see if we can do it. Here we go, 3 times through. Plenty of practice that way. Here we go, 5, a 6, the typewriter, back, in, on the left, and replace, in the middle, and replace, on the right, and slide, slide, on the left, and replace, in the middle, replace, on the right, slide, slide, left, middle, right, slide, preparation, twist, twist, turn, and face, return, and back. And that is it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you've managed to master that one so it becomes something you can play with, because it's quite good fun. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of the video so that there's something nice for you to practice to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.